Thanks, Leland. We're here with Dr. Craig Pryor, our resident veterinarian. He's ready to answer your questions. Lots of folks have called in already. It's great to have you with us.
Yeah, thank you. Glad to be here.
Thank you for coming.
Yes.
So maybe we can help some folks out. Amy, you're going to be our first caller. What's your question for Dr. Pryor? Amy, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Yes, I have a 3-year-old Shih Tzu, and I was just wanting to know, he just lays around all the time. I just wanted to know, is he not feeling good? Or what's the signs of a dog not feeling good?
Well, it really depends what's going on with them as to what could be, what signs they'll show. So obvious signs of vomiting, diarrhea, they may start drinking more, they may start urinating more, lethargy, where they're just, you said he's lying around, but does he still want to eat? If they're not eating and they won't be responsive, then yeah, you need to take him in and have him checked. You can always take his temperature. Normal temperature for a dog is 101 to 102 degrees. So outside of that, it's 103 or above, then yeah, you may want to take him in and have him looked at. But he should be examined twice a year as it is anyway. We like to do wellness exams twice a year just to be sure that there's nothing early detection that we can correct.
All right, Amy, hope your dog feels better. Thanks so much for calling. Hi, Kathy. What's your question for the doctor?
Yes, ma'am. My grandson has a hamster, and when we got her, both eyes were like bulging out, like, they're supposed to. But one eye now is like, it's not bulging out, it's like synced in, and it's not open all the way.
Okay, so you probably should take him in to see someone who looks at exotic animals and have him looked at. Sounds like there's something going on. He could have hurt his eye somehow, and they can be treated. So I would take him in and have it looked at. Lots of different things can cause this. Okay.
Thanks for calling, Kathy. Hi, Anna. What's your question today?
Hi, I was wondering, with tick season coming up, we've already seen a few. What signs should we look for if our dog does get bit with a tick? Should we watch for red bumps or other signs of an infection?
So tick season is not coming up. We're already in tick season, and tick season is going to be bad this year. It's already been predicted. If you go to petsandparasites.org, they got maps there that'll show you what the tick distribution is. So it's not the tick themselves we're worried about. Ticks are nasty looking creatures. It's the diseases they carry and that can transmit. And so the big things we see in this area of the country, ehrlichiosis, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, anaplasmosis, in cats, cytoxazoonosis. And so different signs that you can see. Consistently, we'll see fever along with this. We can get some bleeding problems where they easily bruise. And then some other things, we may get some arthritis issues, so sudden onset of sore joints, things like that. So, and then consistently fever. So, if you have a tick on your animal, make sure you get it off. If you're not sure how to, talk to your veterinarian how best to get them off, and then watch which products are really best to use against ticks.
All right, thanks very much. That's really timely information. Hi, Emma. What's your question for Dr. Pryor?
Yes, I have 2 inside dogs, and they have ear mites, and I've been using coconut oil and then swabbing the mites out of their ears. Is there something else that I can use as a home remedy to take care of them?
Most home remedies don't work. So you actually have to be able to kill the mites. Mites are very easily transmitted between the pets, so that if you've got every animal in the household needs to be treated at one time, because otherwise they're going to keep on just spreading it amongst each other. So you kill it on one animal, it'll get back from another animal. So I would talk to your veterinarian about which is the best medicine to use against it. It will take a medicine to get rid of it. Home remedies do not work in this situation.
Okay, some interesting calls today.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for your answers. We appreciate it. You can reach Dr. Pryor at the Murphy Road Animal Hospital.